Sunshine, I want rain. I want love, I want the pain. Cheer me up, I'll say my name, 'cause it don't feel the same when you're not around. The feelings come out. I wish I could say that I figured it out. Got my head in the clouds when I'm feeling down. Now that I know I can figure this out. Little towns gonna take our heart, lost and found, that's what we are. City lights in plastic cars, tiny people, giant stars. We don't care about what we find, we just need each other's time. Young and reckless by design, I find my peace of mind, 'cause I don't wanna keep on waiting till
I've just gone for a walk and I found this really cool railway track. So I'm going to just see where it goes. I think I've made it to the end and I think it's actually blocked off by that So I don't think I should keep going. I think it's just bushland all the way down there. So I'm gonna head back, but that was pretty cool. Okay, so I've just come home to this package and I'm gonna open it with you guys. I think it's gonna be like these like the stamps that I'm gonna make for my little business or side hustle. Just gonna take it out, and that's just the packaging. So I got this off Amazon, I think 2 weeks ago. That's when they come. Yeah, so it comes with the lino cutter set, so it's just, yeah, the holder and the little nibs, a rubber block, so yeah, you can carve in there. It's actually quite a decent thickness. I don't know how to measure that out for you, but I think it's around like a centimetre thick, so it's like a decent sized. I'm excited to carve that out. It's just stuff like that, so I was thinking like a little artwork at the front and then something like that at the back. I haven't quite finished them, but yeah, so maybe I could just carve out like a stamp, so then I can just stamp that on. I'll just show you the new little mugs that I've made. So here's just some stuff that I've been working on. So I made 2 new little mugs and a little trinket tray. Hopefully they turn out okay. All my little air dry ones have now dried, so now they're white. So that's kind of what they look like when they're, I'd say, 2 days old from being dry, and that's them being dry. Exciting. I can paint these ones now.